Good morning. Today is 2022, July 24th, Sunday. Wishing you a happy Sunday. Today I wish to talk about the uploading iOS app to App Store. It's very complicated, so this video is mostly on the creation of the website. Basically, we have to use that App Store Connect for uploading. And one of the questions, perhaps, you must have a developer account and you got it registered, and you that is auto to connect. It's my first app that I tried to upload to the App Store, and one of the requirements to have all the image. I may have another video on how to upload these images for different kind of iPhone, iPad, and so on. But I got another question by them that I need to submit a support URL, marketing URL, and so on. This means I have to make a website. So that is what I want to discuss today. One of the way is to create a website that is free. My GitHub. To go to the GitHub webpage. My GitHub. Then you click here and you have a new repository. Okay, then you can create your free website. That website is my home page. And you know, this is the MD. This means that you can edit it using Markdown. And then the print of Emacs comes in. I have my Markdown. That's my Markdown design. And Markdown is that you have to put all the paragraphs, the title, a double hash. Then the main title is single hash. So it's very neat. If you put a double extra, it becomes bold type. If you put a single, it becomes italic. So it's very easy than XML. And I link with my public album of my photos to Google Photos. And for link, you have to put a square bracket and a round bracket here and become the link. And for constructing a table is very simple. You put divided by that vertical bar and I could form a table. For email, also very simple. It's much easier to design than using the HTML language. And in Emacs, we have the Markdown minor mode, so I can link with the Pandoc. That program is called Pandoc to see the result. Okay. So that's the result, my name and the picture that I took in Germany, a very beautiful farmland. And that is the first app I'm going to publish. Sorry, not 2020, 2022. So I close it. And see the result. Now correct it and okay. So that you see the code okay, you highlight everything and go back to edit and you paste everything here and can make a change. and that is a website in the GitHub. So I would use this link, copy this link back into the App Store app to connect. I forgot about the name. It's called anyway, the app connect for uploading to the App Store. So that is one way possibility to solve the problem of the requirement of URL that is necessary in uploading your app to App Store in Apple. I've already got a success to upload to my Android version to Google Play Store, and it was established in public. I remember that time they also need a lot of screenshots and the writings, description of the app, but there's no requirement for the URL. And that URL requirement is only in Apple. And I'm not yet have the final success in the App Store of Apple for my first app, but at least I think this is the possible way to try. If I got a total success, I will publish another video on that. Thank you for listening to this, sharing the experience, and hope to talk to you about again later sometime. Thank you. Have a nice day.